Hello friends, today we are going to determine soundness of cement. There are two methods for finding soundness of cement, by Le-Chatelier method and by autoclave method. In this test we are using Le-Chatelier method for finding soundness of cement. The apparatus required for this test is Le-Chatelier apparatus, glass plate, weight, IS 90 micron sieve, spatula, balance, and material required is cement sample and water. First of all, sieve the cement sample by using IS 90 micron sieve. You can see in the video. Here we take the cement sample by passing IS 90 micron sieve. Take empty weight of the pan, which is 379 gram, then tear it for 00. Here we take 200 gram of cement sample for the experiment. You can see in the video. Then after oiling the inner surface of the Le-Chatelier apparatus cylinder, you can see in the video, properly oiling. Then after make the cement paste by using 0.78 times the water of standard consistency. Then make paste and fill it properly in the Le-Chatelier apparatus cylinder. You can see in the video. Taking care to keep the edge of the mold gently together. Then covering the mold with another piece of glass sheet. Place a small weight on this covering glass sheet and immediately submerge the wall assembly in water at a temperature of room 27 degrees Celsius and keep it for 24 hours. Take out the assembly from water after 24 hours. Measure the distance between indicator point and record it. Here we get L1 is equal to 15 mm. You can see in the video. After that, the submerge the mold again in water and bring the water to the boiling in 25 to 30 minutes and keep it boiling for 3 hours. Here you can see the heat of hydration process. In boiling, the heat of hydration process quickly. Then remove the mold from water and allow to cool, and measure the distance between the indicator point and record the next reading, which is L2. Here we get L2 is equal to 20 mm. You can see in the video. All the observation we needed, we can get it. Now observation table. First, types and brand of cement. Here we take OPC cement and the brand name is Sanghi cement. Then what is the grade of cement? Here we take 53 grade of cement for the experiment. Then weight of the cement sample is equal to khali jagya gram. Here we take 200 gram of cement sample. Fourth, water required for standard consistency. In previous test we get the water required for standard consistency is 28%. Then fifth, water added to the cement sample. Here the equation for water added to the cement sample is 0.78 into P into weight of cement sample. Here 0.78 P is the percentage of water for standard consistency, which is 0.28, and weight of the cement sample is 200 gram. Then final water added to the cement sample is 43.68 ml. So here we take approximately 45 ml water. Then L1 is the distance between two indicator point after 24 hours, which is 15 mm. And L2 is the distance between two indicator point after 3 hours boiling, which is 20 mm. Then expansion is equal to 20 minus 50, L2 minus L1, 20 minus 15, which is 5 mm. After experiment and observation, we go for the result. The expansion of the cement in the Le Chatelier apparatus is found to be 5 mm. So the BIS requirement as per the IS 269, when the tested by Le Chatelier method, unaerated ordinary Portnet cement cell not have expansion of more than 10 mm. Here we get 5 mm expansion. So as per the BIS, we go for the conclusion, since the average expansion of cement is 5 mm, so our cement sample is sound. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.